Still watching Haiku, okay. Shoe, where I left off before. I wasn't sure if he wanted to be in the video or not, so this. And I washed it out. It smells a little funky. It's made from plants. It has 0 calories. 0. I've never heard of anything having 0 calories. So I'm putting the water to a boil. I don't like too much water in my pasta and stuff, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with it after this. There's no, usually they give you like a recipe or some teriyaki sauce or something to put in it. What are you doing, Papa?
Going up sliding, little boy. We're going up sliding.
It's upside down. I'm missing my show. I see. I don't know what to do with this. Can somebody who's a cooking expert tell me how to cook this? Because honestly, once I put it in the boiling water, I don't know what else I'm going to do with it. It says cook for, wash for 10 or, hold on, I gotta turn this down, there's too much noise. Good job, yay, exercise, that's right. Good job. 1, 2. Oh. All right, work that core. Good job. I don't know what he's doing. Don't do this at home, kids.
Mommy.
Yes, baby.
Mommy.
These noodles were made from plants that were not genetically engineered. That's good to know. Refrigerate after opening. Do not freeze. I think I froze it. I think that might have been my... I think I might have frozen those. Crap. I think I have one that's frozen. Oh no. Why did I freeze it? Yeah, I wasn't supposed to freeze it. This is another one I had that was frozen. Wasn't supposed to do that. It's supposed to be alive, not like frozen, I guess. I don't know. I was supposed to freeze it. Do I want to do exercises? Yes. 1, 2, 3.
Mommy, let's go.
To the gym?
Go up, slide down. Mommy, go up, slide down.
Go upside down. He wants me to go upside down.
Mommy,
By the way, this is Orchard Corset. I gotta follow Lucy. Thing. I want a custom made one.
Mommy. Make sure you save the t-shirt. Go up, slide down. Go up, slide down like this.
All right, I'll try it later, okay? All right, so here it goes. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do with this food. I really don't. Please comment below.